Baby.
No.
Baby.
We're going to the car.
Baby.
Stop. Do not pull away from me. Ma'am, do not pull away from me. Ma'am.
All right, cover her up. Come on.
Stand up.
On January 30th, 2022, officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a reported physical disturbance. The caller stated that he had been assaulted by his girlfriend, who allegedly reacted to accusations of infidelity by throwing out his clothing and breaking a window on the property. Here is what happened next.
All I know so far is they're arguing. He's saying that she beat on him, but he's got no marks on her.
Who is she?
I guess the wife.
Okay.
I haven't gone upstairs yet. Sir, is she your wife?
No.
Who is she?
My girlfriend.
Girlfriend. All right.
He's been explaining to him what's been going on. I've been asleep for 2 hours. He's been explaining.
I don't really fucking know.
Well, I mean, you were the one involved. Explain it to us.
No, I'm the victim.
He was asleep,
Okay.
and she came home. They're staying in that room.
Okay.
He, because I knew she was pissed off, went into that room. She found out he was in that room, went around the side of the house and started throwing a bunch of shit through the windows, and then crawled through the window. He came through that door.
Yeah.
And he was just keeping her out of getting in here.
Quit laughing. I'm embarrassed.
I know, but I'm just saying.
It all started over.
So you asked him that you asked him to have explain this to us, and he is. So let him finish real quick.
All that happened was it was just kind of back and forth until she kind of just stopped. And then in the interim, while all this is occurring, she's just throwing his shit into the street.
How'd the window get broken?
She threw something through the window. I don't know.
Then she crawled through it. I already blocked the deal. This started over squirt guns.
Whose house is this?
This is
rented it.
It's a rental.
Like the whole house?
It's normally a hotel, but we rented all the rooms.
Okay. So you guys are the only ones here?
How long have you guys been dating, man?
Okay.
2 years.
2 years. You guys live together? Did she, when she was throwing things at you and all of that, like, did she get physical with you at all? You point to your eye.
I mean, I can take a punch.
So are you saying she punched you? I'm just trying to figure out what I'm dealing with.
She hit me a lot.
Okay, let me see your face.
Oh, my face is fine.
No, I want to see your face. Thank you.
This is not the first time, guys.
Did you see her hit him at all?
I wasn't here for that. Okay. I don't really know if it happened or not.
She's hit me numerous times.
Was it a punch or a slap or what was it?
Well, she just gets violent and I won't deal with it, so I lock myself in the other room. But when she started breaking out windows and throwing shit on my, I run from her.
And are you related to them at all?
No, just friends.
Okay.
I've taken a beating from her 5 times.
And where is she upstairs? In this room? How do we get up there?
You won't come there.
Just think that. I mean, honestly, based on this and all this stuff, I want to put a pass with her. We'll talk to her and see what she has to say.
There's a broken window over here.
Yeah. Take a picture of that, Dylan?
Yep. Take a picture from the door too, just so you got a perspective of.
Just say, don't go into the fucking rooms. I'll show you the one she's in. Bunch of people who are sleeping.
Which
Is there anybody else here?
Based on Tori, it's the QS Police. Hey. Can you talk? Hi, can you step out and talk to us?
Yes.
Do you want to, so did anything
Oh,
happen?
he's just an asshole.
Okay, well, what happened?
Well, he went to a strip club and like was trying to cheat on me, and I caught him, so I got mad at him.
Okay, well, what happened when you got mad at him?
I threw everything out the window.
Okay.
If you're gonna hide in a room downstairs and you can't sleep with me, then you know you're guilty. So yeah,
Okay.
I'm just pissed. He didn't touch me, do anything, but he tried to cheat on me. I'll lose my shit. Caught him in the act, so that's it.
Okay, did you touch him at all?
Yeah, I did slap him.
You did?
Across the face, yeah.
Okay.
All right, 10:15.
Yep.
I'll put you in on the back.
How long am I gonna be in jail?
Probably until noon.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you need some shoes?
Y'all are gonna arrest me?
We have to. It's domestic. Do you have shoes that you want?
No, I'm not gonna f***ing relax. Because you're
Stop.
gonna f***ing take me to jail, really? Because you're gonna
Get her
cheat
some
on
shoes?
Yeah.
You've been asleep.
I'll go to jail.
No. I'm going to jail. So f*** you.
Do you have a jacket in here you want?
You know what? Whatever y'all want to f***ing do, because this is
If
ridiculous.
you want a jacket, tell me.
If a dude's gonna f***ing try to cheat on me and it's my f***ing fault,
Do you want a jacket or not?
no, I don't want a f***ing jacket. I'll walk down the street naked.
Just stand by for a second.
Stop
Ma'am,
pulling
ma'am,
away.
don't pull away from me. I'm trying to
No, I'm ready to
double lock these cuffs so that they don't.
Ma'am, please calm down.
No, I don't want to f***ing calm down.
Alright, they're double locked.
There wasn't a request. You need to chill out right now. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on.
Let's go. Slow down, ma'am. Don't want you to fall.
I won't fall. Perfect. Baby.
No,
Baby.
we're going to the car.
Baby.
Stop. Do not pull away from me. Ma'am, do not pull away from me. Ma'am.
All right, cover her up. Come on.
Stand up.
Stop pulling away from us. You hear me? Come on, walk. Cover her up, Dylan. Come on.
The tie in the front? Yeah.
No, turn around.
This is a reflection
That's
on
our
y'all,
fault.
not me.
Well, I asked you if you wanted
This way.
a jacket. Come on.
Y'all are f***ing assholes.
Come on, walk.
F***ing assholes.
Hal, see if we could get her a jacket.
Jacket up.
Well, I want her to have a jacket.
I want this to happen. I want this to happen because he's a f***ing cheater. It's my fault.
Cover yourself. Come on.
It's gonna cover you up, all right? Not yet. May I move this way for just a second?
No.
I gotta get the seatbelt. I have the seatbelt.
A man that says he loves me, he's gonna be fucking jail because he's a cheater. Y'all are all f***ing pigs.
I didn't expect that it was going to fall off.
No.
He's letting me go to jail.
All right, Mr. Casey. Do we know where her identification is? Possibly upstairs?
Did you ask her?
No, she's not talking to us. So the way it works is we're going to list in the report that the window was broken during an altercation.
There was no altercation.
Well, you know, I mean, it's for all intents and purposes, just for the definition of what transpired, sir. I understand that you didn't fight
There was no
back.
altercation. I locked the door and went to sleep.
Anyways, so,
Trey, we need to find my dog kid. I got $5,000 and that she threw all my shit out.
I'll find it.
so what we're gonna do is go get your stuff. I'll stay with you because I got a bunch of flashlights. We'll make sure you got everything. She has her cell phone if you want to go get her out in the morning. She's got first appearance. She'll meet with the judge.
What time's first appearance? 9?
It depends, honestly.
The woman was later charged with damage to property, resisting arrest, and battery. Considering the circumstances, do you believe her actions were justified? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.